Hey everybody, this is Michael, your financial coach, and coming at you live with the Credit Restoration Nation. I love you all, the way you're tuning in, the way you're connecting, and I want to update you all today on how that the Experian boost, all the other boosts, the things that get your credit boosted by 5, 10, 20, 15 points, whatever, are not going to be the best for everyone. Allow me to explain. I know some people that sign up for these different credit boosting apps. They look forward to the 10, 15 points boosting average in their credit score. However, this doesn't work for everyone. And I want you to listen to me very closely why this doesn't work for everyone. Through the years, I've had clients that literally have needed that last minute boost of their credit score due to approval for a mortgage, due to approval for refinancing, or trying to get just above enough so they can get in that car or even get to an apartment. So it's very important you understand the power of the boosts of those particular apps. If you have a poor or moderate credit score, you cannot rely on those minor boosts to get you over the top. The reason you have a low credit score already is, number one, you either have balances that are too high on your credit card, or two, you have balances that are not low enough on your loans. You also may have late payments. You also may have collections. You may even have public records such as bankruptcies on it. So it's so important to know what's on your credit report before you use these boost apps that'll boost your score 10, 12 points when it could be easily taken away because you have other negative marks on your report. In addition to that, if you apply for any new credit, it'll drop your credit score 3 to 4 points per hard inquiry. So you have to look at what's on your credit report. What are you doing? What you have done already with your credit report. So let's look at something else. When the clients come to you with that 11th hour help, you get a referral, or they connect with you online, and a lot of these people say, I need help to boost my score. All I need 5 points. All I need are 3 points or 10 points, whatever it is. So what we do, we go over the credit report with them. We see what is necessary and what steps or what action, what plan is necessary for them to reach that goal. Let me just hit it with you straightforward. You cannot boost your score that amount within a few days. Reason, number one, credit scores open or update their accounts or your accounts in their records once a month. So you might have TransUnion that updates on the 10th. You might have Experian that updates on the 20th. And then you have TransUnion that updates maybe at the end of the month. So it updates at different times. So you really need all three to be on the same page when it comes to your score is number two. After they update, if they don't update the same score, then you've defeated the purpose of boosting your score with those boost apps. So I'm asking you first, let us look at these particular scores before you sign up for these boost apps and pay a monthly fee for something that really doesn't help. Even though they will apply your utilities, such as your electric bill, your phone bill, whatever else they might add to it, you need to find out anything that's going to counteract that boost. So you're paying money every month for something that's being counteracted with a negative item or derogatory item on your report. Now, I know there are people out there that say you can boost your score by 50 points, by 100 points in 30 days. There are certain reasons for that, and that's why we're here. The reason we do credit restoration is to get people to see what has been done in the past that's keeping your credit score down. So I encourage you, I implore you to let's look at the details of your credit score. And if anything comes up that we can fix first, then I'm going to recommend the boost after we've gotten the past fixed. So it's all about credit restoration. It's not about credit repair. So I'm coming to you straightforward with the facts, the way I help my clients. And there's a difference between credit repair and credit restoration. We do credit restoration here at Credit Restoration Nation, making people financially better. So I implore you, please connect with us, contact us, DM us, email, whatever you have to do to see how we can help you. Get on the calendar, and we're going to make sure we reach you, or we're going to make sure we help you reach that next level of the financial dignity which you've been called. Okay? So this is Michael, your financial coach, coming at you with another session of 5 minutes of financial help. God bless you. We'll catch you next time. Peace.